What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're taking a look at Fujimi Porsche Cayman. So let's go in the box, what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. So we're going to start off with the basics. We got some Cayman license plates. We do have the window stickers, which is super nice to paint the black trim around the windows. And then we got our little decal sheet with more Cayman S decals. You got your custom license plate, so you can customize it how you want. Some Porsche decals. Very nice. You got our clear parts. We'll keep them in the tree so they get scratched up. But you got your basic, your nice headlight buckets or headlight lens. Your turn signals and fog lights, and then you have one big bucket for your main glass, which seems very nice. You do have your heat shielding molded in. Chrome pieces, not too many, which is common for these cars. You get your headlight buckets, your taillight buckets, you get your grill, your mirror, and exhaust. And looks like some pins, but very nice chrome tree. Alright, so we got one set of wheels. We actually have two sets, but this is your stock wheels. They look pretty nice. They're in this like chromey aluminum finish, so you don't like that, you can just strip it and paint it to whatever you want to do. Then you get your Fujimi lug nuts or your wheel nuts, how they mount up. And here is your custom wheels. Nice spoke design. And then we got our exhaust right there for a big exhaust. Clear parts, we have our clear tail lights with a nice texture into it, very nice, and we have your third brake light as well. Let's move on to the white molded part or black molded parts. So you get your exhaust there, so this is a curbside, so you're not getting a full engine, but you do get part of your transmission. It looks like you get your exhaust, you get some bracing under the chassis, you get your front splitter, your fog light vents there, and then you got your brakes right there, which are kind of let down because it looks like they're literally the same size both front and rear, so I might end up changing those out, who knows, depends if I'm feeling lazy or not. Here is main of your chassis components. You get your springs, more exhaust and sway bar components, steering, axle, pins for your wheels, your front skid plate, and then your main chassis. That's the front of it. And then you do have your engine right there. So not too big a deal. It's molded in because you're not going to see this engine anyway because it is a mid-engine. Means the engine is under the interior, so it don't matter because you don't see it at all anyway. So not too big a deal. Okay, we got some more parts here. We got more venting for your grill, steering wheel, your gauge cluster head or headliner you want to call it, your winch wipers, your winch wiper shroud or black trim. You do have a spoiler right there. You can pose it up or down, I believe. Steering column and your steering or your dashboard. Very nice. So this is an early 2000s car. I believe this is like a 2003 or 2004. Before they added infotainment system, I believe in 2005, which is the same body style, that's when they added a screen. So I believe this is like a 2003 or 2004 before they had touchscreens. So it's a full-on radio, but it is very nice and the detail is crisp. And you do have texture on there for like the plastic dash, which is very cool. And of course we have your interior bucket. So very nice, you do have like a netting in there, that's very cool. And then your center console is molded in, not too big a deal. Then of course you can just flock the floor to make it nice. And then you do have your gas pedal and dead pedal molded in. Very, very cool. Alright, the last black molded tree is going to be most of your interior. You do have your rear windshield wiper as well, your rear view mirrors. Looks like a handlebar or something, some sort. Your e-brake or emergency brake. You do have your clock that goes on your dashboard right there, which is very cool. Rear view mirror, shifter. Looks like pedals. I'm not sure if that's pedals or not, but you got some more grill venting, your license plate frames. You get your door panels there with molded in speakers, which is super nicely detailed. Then you do have multi-piece seats. These are your front seat backs. Then you get your actual backs right there, and then you do have your bottom seats. So multi-piece, this makes two-tone paint jobs a lot easier. You want to do a two-tone interior. This makes your life a lot easier. If you want to do a carbon fiber back, which this type of seat are not really carbon fiber. But if you want to, you can do so. But really nice detail. Let's move on to the tires you get in this kit. So you do get front skinnies and fat wears. They are name branded on the side. And the tread pattern is very nice, very delightful, and they are very squishy and yeah, so. And they are actual rubber. So that makes it really nice, and they smell like rubber too. Poly caps to mount your wheels to the axle. And the last piece in this puzzle is going to be your body, your nice Cayman body. Again, this is like early 2004 to 2008, 2009 body style, which is very cool. You do have your spoiler mode separate, like I mentioned, so you have it up or down position. Rear, you do have your holes for your back window wiper. Your door handles are molded in, which is not a big deal because they are body color, but you do have side venting. So very cool, and you get your grill right there. All that is separate, so you paint that black nicely. The panel lines actually look, no, they're I was gonna say they look pretty good, but no, they're very shallow. So you do have to square them out and make them a bit deeper. But the width is pretty nice. Is there? Your back portion, mold lines. There is a mold line, very hard to see. It's down right there. You can kind of see it right there. So very noticeable, not really noticeable, but you can feel it a little bit. So make sure you get rid of that. That's only the mold line that, oh no, there's one on the back here too, I was gonna say. So you do have mold lines on your fenders and stuff, your quarter panel. So make sure you get those out of there. Your gas tank is right there. So make sure you take care of that. Make sure you get that prominent before you do any painting, because these panel lines are very hollow. But very nice body, and it's white, so that makes it easy to paint it in any color you choose to do so. But after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, it's a very nice kit. It's very simplified, so if you're looking for a nice chill build, say you get done with a very complicated build, you just want to do something quick and easy and just kind of take your mind off things, and you know, very nice chill build with no engine. This kit is perfect. It's fujimi, so you know it's going to go together super well with Japan. So it's a very nice kit. Again, this is like an early 2004, I will say, to very early 2005 without the infotainment system. If you do look at pictures online, a lot of pictures you're going to see has the screen, but this one doesn't have the screen, so my guess is to be 2004 to late 2003 body style this version is. But very cool. It's a very nice Porsche. Again, you can pose the spoiler up or down position, which is very cool. You do have two options of wheels, so very cool. If we don't like the wheels, of course there's aftermarket, or go to Code 3D, find some files for 3D print, whatever. But I'll say the kit's very nice, and the detail is amazing for the chassis. What you do see, again, it doesn't matter if it's a curbside or not, because, well, you're not going to see the engine anyway, because it is a mid-engine car, meaning the engine's actually under the interior. so you don't see the engine at all anyway. So to me, it doesn't makes no sense for it to be a full engine, even though you don't see it. So be a curbside, not a big deal, because again, you don't see the engine, and that's what makes it easier and nicer to paint. But again, it does have a very, very nice exhaust setup. The brakes are kind of let down because you do have front and back brakes are the same exact size, which is kind of let down because the front brakes are supposed to be bigger, but not too big a deal. But just for a cabbage build, for a nice cabbage builder, or a builder that wants to get into his hobby, or just take a nice chill build, this kit is actually really, really nice. But other than that, guys, that's it for this Unbox Monday. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next video, I'll catch you next time.